Welcome to the navigation tutorial. This tutorial will give you a rundown of the ways to open point clouds, the shortcuts to navigate, and styling your point clouds. There are two different options to opening a point cloud. The first is through the GIS layer. View your point cloud data polygon within the GIS view. Click on the polygon and select point cloud. The point cloud will stream onto the platform. Atlas navigates on a zoom, pan, and rotate functionality. To navigate, scroll to zoom in and out, click and drag to pan, and press the control button along with click and drag to rotate. Select first person mode on the right hand side and this will change your perspective to eye level. Within first person, click and drag will change your line of sight. Selecting the W key will allow you to move forward. Selecting the A key will move you left and the D key will move you right. Finally, selecting the S key will allow you to move backwards. Select the first person mode again and this will cancel the action. Utilize the Details panel to change the styling of your point cloud. Change the styling to elevation and enable EDL shading to increase the shading on the point cloud. Amend the point size by sliding the point to the right to increase or the left to decrease. To exit the point cloud, select the exit button and return to the home page. The second way to view your point clouds is through Browse Data. Scroll through the list and find the correct point cloud. Select Zoom to and the point cloud will stream onto the platform. The Details panel and action buttons remain the same. When navigating linear assets, follow the route and the adjacent clouds will automatically stream and load. You do not need to open separate point clouds.